I am so excited. We have a K-pop Demon Hunters Soda Pop dance tutorial for you today. Let's learn and move together. Okay, part number one is our little intro part. The song goes, my little soda pop, and then you hear the little pop sound effect. So our hand comes across, comes to our back, then we bring up our little soda pop hand, and on the little pop sound effect, you're gonna tilt your head a little bit back, like you're drinking a can of soda. So that is my little soda pop, and then boop. Yeah, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop. Hey, one more. 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop. Hey, nice. Moving on. The position with your arms, your hand, right hand, is coming to your wrist as this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and push. Yes, exactly. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Yeah, again, 5, 6, 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, push. And on this, it's like you're framing your face. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and push. When you push, you're kind of angling yourself to the side and changing directions a little bit. Yeah, let's try it. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and push. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, push. Yeah, from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop. Hey, you're all I can think of. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop. Hey, you're all I can think of. One more time. 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop. Hey, you're all I can think of. We just ended here. Next, we're going to do a little swoop with our hands. It's like they're riding a wave. They come overhead, and as they come overhead, we do a little jump, and then they come together and out. Yes. So we're here. We do a little swoop out. When we step out, our shoulder goes right, left, and right. And our hand is the same position. We're grabbing our wrist. So we just came from here. We do a little swoop, and then we rock, rock, rock. Yes, let's try it. 5, 6, 7. We do a little swoop and a rock, a rock, a rock. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We go a swoop, a rock, rock, rock. Yeah, from here, that looks amazing. Your back leg, your right leg comes back and your heel goes pop, pop, pop. Your shoulder, your left shoulder, while that foot is bringing down, that pop, pop, pop. Yes, exactly. So we went rock, rock, rock. We go back, a pop, pop, pop. Yes, again, 5, 6, 7. We go a rock, a rock, a rock, and a pop, pop, pop. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We go rock, 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 and a pop, pop, pop. From here, your foot goes out, and then it comes back. Left leg comes back, and you're making this little framing your face, and then it's like slicing down. Yes. So it's out, back, yeah, a little out, back. Try it. We go out, back. One more time. We go out, back. Yes, exactly. So we go back, 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 out, back. Yeah, try it. 5, 6, 7. We go back, 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 and back. 5, 6, 7. We go a pop, a pop, a pop, out, back. Yeah. Moving on. Our leg goes out, up, around, hit, beep, beep. Yeah. So we go out, up, around, hit, beep, beep. Yeah. So we go out and around, hit, beep, beep. One more time. 5, 6, 7. We go out, forward, around, hit, beep, beep. One more time for good luck. 5, 6, 7. We go out, around, Yes. So good. So we just went out and back. We come out, forward, around, hit, beep, beep. Yeah, one more time. We're here. We go out, forward, around, hit, beep, beep. Yeah, and that's the end. So good. Okay, nice and slow from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop. Hey, you're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Beep, beep. Yeah, one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go. My little soda pop, pop. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Beep, beep. So good. For music, go ahead and hit my next link. Great work.